I'm Hunter and I'm from Pennsylvania, and you are watching Omar Gosh. Give me a kiss.
Hey, what's up, fam? Hope you're having a great day today. Welcome to our life movie. What you see behind me right there is Hurricane Irma getting ready to touch down on Central Florida. You can feel the winds picking up. I'm just kidding. The hurricane I think it's gonna hit like late tomorrow night. I do have to make some last minute preparation H. You know, like I have to make sure there's nothing that's gonna fly out and maybe hit the house, break a window, you know, like that thing right over there. On yesterday's video, I showed you guys a few houses. If you didn't know what's going on, or if you're new to my channel, maybe it's the first time you're watching us, welcome to the fam. About a year ago, I had somebody that really hates me start harassing me, started spreading my address all over like the internet, had people showing up to my property, random unpaid pizza deliveries, had my personal property like destroyed, you know, tires slashed, things like that, people coming on the property, and it's happening all over again 1 year later. So what we are doing now, we're in the process of moving again. A lot of people are really upset about that. You know, I love my property too, don't get me wrong. I love my four-wheelers, I love my chickens. However, security and safety is definitely number one on my list, and we're gonna probably have to move to like a gated community where we have like a guard up front to protect our house. Can't really afford having a guard outside my house here. That'd be way too much money. I showed you two houses that we loved. One was a little bit cheaper than the other, had a little bit bigger yard. The other one was a little nicer, kind of fancy, a little higher in price. However, I think we're gonna be making an offer on one of those houses. They were both beautiful. Melissa and I both loved both houses. So you're gonna have to stick around and see which house we made an offer on. I'll keep you updated on that. There's Melissa over there. You find anything that could blow away? If we get hit by this hurricane, like, we're gonna have a lot of trees down. Like a lot of trees down. Now I do have a future home for my chickens, and this is actually quite exciting because I'll be able to see them all the time. My friend Patty is gonna take my chickens for me, so I'm excited about that. She has a nice big yard, and I might just go ahead and bring this setup to her house and make sure she's like all set. These gated communities, you can't have chickens, unfortunately. They're very strict, you know, home associations and stuff. It's really to preserve like the nice, clean look of a house. Sure gonna miss riding my four-wheelers too. I might keep my four-wheelers, just kind of put them in the garage, maybe get a trailer for them, and we could go to trails and stuff. I mean, but out here I could just ride them in my yard, which is awesome. Hi, April. You want some worms? I'm gonna get you some worms, okay? Chicken run! Chicken run! Yeah, I think they got tired. They look so goofy when they run. You guys want some worms? Huh? Look what I got. Oh. Oh. Ow, that's my hand! Ow! Hey, Sasquatch. Shut up and eat. You guys like worms, huh? Yummy. Momo is my baby. Well, they're all my babies, but she's actually the logo for the Omar Gosh. That's her right there. We call her Momo because she has a mohawk. Sorry for not talking about you too. So if this hurricane gets really serious, which pretty sure it is, I'm using this little coop right here for like a little mini coop for them. Get it? Mini coop. But yeah, I'm gonna put them in my garage because I'm afraid if they're out here, we get a lot of water, they might flood. I mean, even though they're chickens, they do fly, they perch on those sticks and stuff, they should be okay, but that might actually get blown away, and it's really heavy. Okay. Sure gonna miss this. Luna likes frisbee. I'm trying to teach her how to catch it in the air, but she has to get a little bit ahead of me. Go, a little bit more. She has caught it a few times. She like ruined this frisbee, this brand new frisbee. All right, go, go, go get it. Get it, get it, get it. I think she's getting tired now. We've been out here for like half an hour, just nonstop. We do have quite a few of these water jugs. And if you didn't know, I have well water, so we should be okay on the water part. But sometimes the water can get contaminated. So we're gonna fill some of these up just in case. You know, we also got our pool. You could drink from that water. Yeah, you could drink pool water. Yes. And you could also like do other things with it, like bathe. Yeah. Before, this was supposed to go like that way. Now we're right over here. So James is right there. We're gonna get hit. 100%. Rest in peace, Florida.
Get it off!
What are you guys doing?
It's so sticky. I thought I got it on my shirt.
Almost ruined your shirt?
Yeah, so sticky.
Is this edible? Oh, it is sticky. What the? Ew. What happens if you get that in your hair?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Yeah. Let's do a experiment.
No. That didn't work the last time you did an experiment on the video.
You know that mannequin?
Yeah.
Me and Blaze were having an argument. He's like, peanut butter won't get it out. I'm like, yeah, it will. So we used the mannequin and we put like a little like slime at the end and it wouldn't come out.
Oh no. Can you make like a fart noise with it? We could do like the flarp thing. Put it in like in a little cup. I bet you we can. Here, let's try this out. We're gonna make our own personal flarp. Mm-hmm. Oh, it does do it. We made our own flarp. Here.
His fingers are red. He's stuck. Here, so if you want to get
You need add borax on it. Didn't work. How do you fart? Technique. My fingers are red.
I know how to get it off.
What's going on with your hair?
Right? It's nice.
Luna, want to play fetch?
No!
Oh! Here, Luna. Let's play fetch. She'll love this. You want to play fetch?
No, that's so bad. If you just bite it.
Ugh.
You gotta stick in it. Like
Dude, what if that was your hair? Like that blob was your hair. Okay. Tomorrow we are gonna go see that movie, It, the new one. Have you guys seen the old one?
No.
You wanna watch the old one?
No.
Like the old? From the 80s? Was it from the 80s? I think it was from the 80s. Yeah. I remember watching it as a kid and I was so scared. Wanna watch it?
Remember Leprechaun?
Oh, Leprechaun was scary.
I'm scared of you. You're like 5.
When we watch 80s horror movies now, we laugh. You know, like Killer Clowns from Outer Space. If you've never seen that movie, watch it. It's really good. And it's kind of funny. Remember Killer Clowns from Outer Space? You know, that was like one of your favorite, like, that was like your favorite movie as a kid.
It was like funny and like scary at the same time. It was so good.
It was.
Like it had jokes and stuff.
The clowns would like, they had these guns that would shoot popcorn at people. Then they would wrap people in cotton candy cocoons. It's pretty funny. Guys ready for a hurricane party?
Yeah.
No?
No.
I'm like really upset right now. I just deleted, not that I did it, it just happened. I have no idea how or when. We filmed at this really neat underground cave, Grand Canyon. I did film 3 videos there. I uploaded one of them to YouTube, but I had footage for 2 more videos. One more at that cave at nighttime at 3 a.m. and then we filmed outside of the hotel, which was inspired by the movie Cars in Radiator Springs, and that area was haunted too. We seen and heard things. We had like animals like making noises. It was a really cool video. Well, I didn't get to edit the video, So it was probably going to be a really cool video. But yeah, we were supposed to be uploading that video, me, Mo, and James, on Saturday. And if you want to see what I'm talking about, make sure you follow my boys, Mo Sargi and James the Fam, because they will be uploading their versions. Mine will not be uploaded though, because I lost all my footage, and that's why life sucks right now. I know what you're thinking, like, hey, it's not a big deal. I mean, we drove 8 hours to get to that place. And then you have all the filming. Like I filmed 2 videos. So imagine filming a movie. Movies movies take a long time, but can't really compare it to a movie. But it did take a couple nights to film there. And I don't have any of that footage. Nothing. It's gone. So, yeah. I'm not sure how today's video is. It's probably kind of short, and I'm sorry. I'm going to have a lot more awesome videos headed your way. I am going to be trying to upload every single day on this channel because I love you so much. What we have is special. The way you look at me, or the way I look at you, the way she looks at him. Make sure to have notifications on because I will be trying to do some live streams during the hurricane. I might even upload some like raw video footage depending whether or not we have power. So that is, you might not hear from me for a couple days and you might think I'm dead. If I'm not, it's because our power went out and we just don't have internet. We're gonna be okay. I am good at surviving. I've survived quite a few things. A shout out to my people out in Texas, and a shout out to everybody surviving these storms. We're gonna be okay though. Shout out to you for keeping us in your prayers too. Hope you have a good night. Love you so much. Give me a kiss.